Welcome to EduValued Academy, where education is evaluated. Today, I will discuss about the basic and fundamental questions of trigonometry of marks 1, 8 marks really, but for 1 marks only. I will just discuss today some problems. Here, if sine 50 degree minus theta is equal to half, find theta. Sine 50 degree minus theta is equal to half. Here we have about from 0, half, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. If we see these values, these are all related to trigonometric angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Here, sine 50 minus theta is equal to half. So half means it is sine 30 degree. Yes, this is sine, comparing both sides, both sides, we have 50 degree minus theta is equal to 30 degree, or 50 degree minus 30 degree is equal to theta. This is 20 degree is equal to theta. Therefore, theta is 20 degree. This is the answer. This is fundamental questions of angular relations, and we have this identity. Half is equal to sine 30 degree. So sine 50 minus theta. Therefore, definitely this is your 50 degree minus theta is equal to 30 degree. 50 minus 30 is equal to theta. So 20 degree is theta. This is solved. Next question. Here we have sin A plus cos B is equal to root 3 upon 2 and A is equal to 60 degree. Find B. Here we write, instead of A, we write sin 60 degree plus cos B is equal to root 3 upon 2. Second question. Sin A is 60 degree, so I put 60 degree. Now, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 plus cos B root 3 upon 2. Therefore, cos B is equal to root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2. It is 0. It is 0. Therefore, cos B is equal to cos 90 degree. Because cos 0 is 90 degree. Therefore, B is equal to 90 degree. This is the answer. This is the answer, 90 degree. Here, I have already discussed in my basic second class, part 2 of trigonometry. There I have told about the angular relations, and I told you all about these values of trigonometric angles, how to find trigonometric angles like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that way I told you. You just please, if you don't watch my video, please go to that video and search for these relations. Here it is the solution. Next one. Now, if root 3 sin theta is equal to 3 upon 2, find tan theta plus cos theta. So, root 3 sin theta is equal to 3 upon 2. Take this one this way. Sin theta is equal to 3 upon 2 into root 3. Definitely, root 3 is root 3 into root 3, 2 into root 3. You know, 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3. This is cut. So, this is your sin theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. This is nothing but sine 60 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find out the value of tan theta plus cot theta. So tan 60 degree plus cot 60 degree is equal to tan 60 root 3 plus cot 60 1 upon root 3. LCM is your root 3. You put 1 always, if it is a whole number like this, you put, to make it rational, to have numerator and denominator, you put 1 at the denominator. This is LCM root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 1. This is 4 upon root 3. Or if you rationalize, this is 4 root 3 upon 3. This is the answer. So, then what's this is third one. Now, if 4 tan theta is equal to 3, find 4 sin theta minus cos theta upon 4 sin theta plus cos theta. Now here is a thing, we know if I divide this numerators and denominators by cos theta, then we will have directly tan theta. So here 4 tan theta is equal to 3, or tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Put it here. Now we have 4 sin theta minus cos theta upon 4 sin theta plus cos theta. Now dividing the numerator and also the denominator by cos theta, if I divide this one by cos theta, so this will be 4 tan theta minus cos theta upon cos theta is 1. Again 4 tan theta plus 1. Now put this value very pleasantly. 4 into 3 upon 4 minus 1. This is 4 into 3 upon 4 plus 1. 4 cancels out. So this is 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. This is we have 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 2. This is the answer, 1 upon 2. This way, 1 marks question will be solved very easily. And next we have, this is if cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1, find sin square A plus sin to the power 4A. Here you see cos A plus cos square is 1. So we can take the help of trigonometry. You just write cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, and 1 minus cos square A, I will remind you, sin square plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. Now instead of sin square A, here we can put cos A. Now sin square A we have sin square A plus sin to the power 4A is equal to, it is your A cos A plus cos square A. Because this sin 4 is sin square A whole square, so definitely sin square A is 1 cos A, so this is your cos square A. So now cos A plus cos square A, this is already we have, it is given 1, so this is 1. So that means the value of this one is 1. Now these are the problem we just follow. 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 5. Prove that 3 sin theta minus 5 cos theta is equal to plus minus 3 or only plus 3 if I take the positive values. Now you consider here, just at a glance you can see here the coefficient 5 and 3 are interchanged, and with sign. The sign positive becomes negative, and the coefficient of cos is here with sign, and coefficient of sin theta is with cos theta. Likewise, you see all the questions are visible. Here 1 is the coefficient, that is the reason. This is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. Again sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Here 2 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2. We have to prove. And a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to c. Then prove that a cos theta. Again, here we are having a glance on this problem. Only the coefficients are interchanging and the sign is also changing. If this is the, if this way you face the problem, you just square it and change sine square and cos square accordingly. Sine square is changeable to 1 minus cos square and cos square is changeable to 1 minus sine square. So see, let's see, 5 sine theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 5. I am squaring both sides this way. Now it is a plus b whole square. A square means ki 5 sine theta whole square plus 2 into 5 sine theta into 3 cos theta plus 3 cos theta whole square. This is 25 sine square. Here it is 25 sine square theta plus 30 sine theta cos theta plus 9 cos square theta is equal to 25. What I am saying is that you have to change this sine square and square term only. Don't change this term, middle term, because this is giving us 2ab for a plus b whole square. This is 2ab here. Only we will change a square and b square with coefficient. This is 25 1 minus cos square theta plus 30 sine theta cos theta plus 9 1 minus sine square theta is equal to 25. We know since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here 25 minus 25 cos square theta plus 30 sine theta cos theta plus 9 sine square theta is equal to 25. Now you see, you take all this that side and you take 25 this side. So definitely this 25 will get cancelled. This 9 will remain here. This is 25 cos square theta plus 9 sine square theta minus 30 sine theta cos theta. I told you already, if this 2ab is getting changed into minus, so the whole square will be of minus, that is here. So that is 3 sine theta and 5 cos theta whole square. So I can write this one, this whole one is equal to 3 sine theta minus 5 cos theta whole square. Taking square root both sides with positive or negative term. If it is positive, so we will put here positive minus negative, because we know this is plus minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 sine theta minus 5 cos theta whole square. So we have 3 sine theta minus 5 cos theta is equal to plus minus 3. We have reached to our destination. This way you solve, please. You just square it and change sine square cos square accordingly. You will get all this result. Even it is looking very difficult because here we do not have any numerical term. Only we have algebraic terms. We don't bother about this. You just keep continuing with this method. Here square both the sides. Change sine square into 1 minus cos square and cos square into 1 minus sine square. And don't do anything else. Then you just simplify. You just take other side. It will be another whole square. If it is plus, that will be negative minus whole square. Then you will reach to this. This is the solution of this all the 4 questions. So I hope you will try your the best in your home to follow this method to solve all these 4 questions on the same way. Same way means just square it, change sine square into cos square and cos square into 1 minus sine square. This way then again you will have a square and this square will give you the answer. That's what these questions are. So you please try to watch my previous videos to clear your basic concept, and if you like, you subscribe and like my channel. I'll be very happy, and if you learn anything from me, then I'll be extremely happy. Thank you.